Both mini motorcycle, I completely transform them and customize them for my own personality issues and so on, and technical preferences. Working over them. This is very well developed by the Harley-Davidson philosophy, for instance, that you have a long list of optional accessories you can add to your bike afterwards. In the car business, I mean on the luxury car business, there is something different. You can have a special Ferrari or a special Porsche, and you can go to the manufacturer and ask him some specification for you before the manufacturing of the car. There is nothing like this on the motorcycle. So, because my previous experiences are both in the car business, in luxury car business, and motorcycle business, I try to put together the two ideas, making for the bike something that normally happens from the luxury cars. I think the first bike was a small, I don't know the name, folding bike for boats, for motorboats, because my grandfather has the motorboat on the seaside in Viareggio, and he has this small folding bike, a 50cc two-stroke, which I ran all the time on the ports when I go in summer with my grandfather sailing around. And there was probably something like 10 years old. Unlegal, but on the port you can do it, no? So this is the start, then the Vespa 50, and then I started with the Enduro for many years, racing Enduro. Between 15 and 30, when I have the first son, I always ride in Enduro. So my off-road was my early passion. Né troppo poco. So Milan con il cuore continua. It's handmade in Milano with art and hands. Yes, and there is the logo that is the dome shape, stylized, that nobody understands what it is, but for us it's easy to understand. Yeah. But the fact of the Milanese dialect is to remark our Milanese roots and industrial tradition, because they are deep inside Milano and this area. And now, I mean, actually, Milano is known all over, more for fashion, for design, and for services than for the manufacturing or industry in general. That's not true, because around here there's so many small, medium, big companies making industry and manufacturing. That's it. We would like to remark it. We are still alive, we are still from Milano. We are doing, again, vehicles or manufacturing things with hands on the neck.